Hello and welcome to Aryabhata Ashram. I am Mahitosh Maheep, founder faculty for IS Mathematics at Aryabhata Ashram. We have come up with a very important series called as Daily Answer Writing Mathematics Optional, and this will be a watershed moment in your life if you are a serious and disciplined student. Here is the question: dy by dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square e to the power tan inverse x minus y. Now, this is asked in the Civil Services Examination 2016. So, undoubtedly, this is a first order, first degree differential equation. And this gives me a synopsis of how I can do. So, this is a sort of linear differential equation, linear first order ordinary differential equation. It is not a partial differential equation. So, linear first order differential equations are either of two type dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are functions of x prima facie. So, does it look like so? So, if I can write this dy by dx plus y upon 1 plus x square is equal to e to the power tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square, this seems so. So, every question comes with his own answer, that is हर एक सवाल में उसका जवाब छिपा हुआ है. So, I was able to recall it. One don't need to solve it by m dx plus n dy because that will be time consuming in the examination hall. So, here integrating factor is your e to the power 1 by 1 plus x square, which is your e to the power tan inverse x. And what is the solution in such case? Solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dx. This is something which you have studied at class 12th, and the derivations is very well established and known. So, I can write this q as e to the power tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square into e to the power tan inverse x dx. Now, what I get is this integral e to the power 2 tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square dx. So, I need to integrate RHS. So, if I put tan inverse x is equal to t, so this would be your integral of e to the power 2t and 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt, and this is your dt. So, e to the power 2t by 2 plus c. So, I can write y e to the power tan inverse x 1 by 2 e to the power 2 tan inverse plus c. So, y is equal to half of e to the power tan inverse x plus c into e to the power minus tan inverse x. So, this is the answer. So, such germane questions can also save your time, and you see how long did I took to solve these questions once it hits you. So, that is what happens with you when you have practiced a great deal. A stitch in time saves 9. So, if you practice those things in the right environment, in a similar environment, you get the best out of it. So, this is an initiative which we are doing online. In online mode हम सिर्फ एक ही सवाल आपके पास पहुंचा पा रहे हैं, but in offline all of you are welcome. We are doing 5 questions per day. You can come and join the live questions solving at 6 to 7, between 6 and 7 at our 47 ground floor Old Rajendra Nagar near Batra Medical, New Delhi. You can also visit our website aryabhatashram.com, and you can also contact us on the given link given below, and also you can mail us and reach out to us in the most affordable and in the most convenient manner which you feel like. And most importantly, it is for the student community. It is an initiative started taking a lot of cues and suggestions and recommendations from the student. So, it is an initiative for the students and for their benefit. Hope this works out for you. Thank you, and waiting for your suggestions and recommendations so that we can better self and also be of any use to you, which will be really formidable in the long run, because it takes two to tango, and once we are started this journey, we will finish it to the last. So keep tuned to us. Thank you.